gosh, he's here! Oh my god, he's back! He's back! Oh my god!
I want that. I wanted that, Daddy. I want that. Actually, I want that.
Here,
Let's do it.
I'll give your dad his money back. Here you go.
Alright, what's up? Can I get a cherry snow cone and some whisker ball and what do you want, Anaya? What do you want?
That.
No, you have to get something else. You want to get Bump Pop?
No, I want.
My sister wants something. What do you want? He's out of that.
Yeah.
Can I just get a cotton candy bar?
I want the bubble gum. Bubble gum?
Cotton candy.
I don't have gum candy.
Okay, I'll take bubble gum. And you got some whisker ball, right?
No.
Yeah.
That.
And I, come here. Do you want to carry this? Here, carry it.
Is this mine?
Oh wait, you don't have the blue one?
No, anything who has a tape. Look at the blue one has a tape.
Oh, the blue one has a tape. I'll take two Bump Pops.
I want that too.
Huh?
Actually, I
You
want
don't want
that.
this?
No, I'll take two Bump Pops.
I want
Just
that.
Bump Pop Junior, two of them.
Okay.
I want that.
I know you already got what you want.
What you got?
I
Two
think-
Bomb Pop and then this one.
Yeah, right here. Take the money.
Okay, hold on. 5.
I want to try and carry
Alright.
that.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome.
All right, bye.
Yeah, this is fun.
Can you,
That's
can
mine.
you carry it for me? Gosh, that's rad. What is he doing here? Again? I thought it was almost Omar. Let's see.